Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube channel. First of all, let us create a Google account. Now let's go to YouTube. Then press the icon in the corner and click switch account. Then add account. Now we will add the account we just created. Now we will click the icon and switch account. Now we will click the icon again in the corner and click create a channel. Then click get started. Now if you want to create a channel using the name and picture on a Google account, then click this one, and if you want to use a custom name, then click this one. Now give a name for your YouTube channel. Then click the tick mark and click create. Now scroll down and we will add a profile picture. Now scroll down again and give a description for your YouTube channel. I'm just giving a random description. You should give a proper description for your YouTube channel. Now scroll down, and in here you can add the links of your social media accounts. After adding them, click save and continue. In this way we can create a YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.